Jingle Miner flashing tutorial, setting up your Jingle Miner efficiently. Are you ready to maximize your crypto mining potential? Let's get started. Firstly, connect your Jingle Miner to a desktop or other power supply using a Type-C cable. Next, you can find the links in the description below. Click on both of them to download the necessary flashing tool and files. Unzip the tool file and locate flash_download_tool_3.9.5.exe, then double-click to run it. Tool must be unzipped before running. After running the software, select ESP32S3 for chip type, choose USB for load mode, then click OK. Add and configure the files as shown within the red boxes in the image below. Make sure to select the appropriate USB port for COM. Finally, click Start. All positions in the red boxes below should be edited. Wait for a few minutes. If Jingle Miner displays the page shown below, the flashing process was successful. If it doesn't display after a few minutes, you can try unplugging and reconnecting the cable to restart the device. Once the installation is complete, your Jingle Miner is ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrency. Stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your Jingle Miner's performance. Happy mining, and remember, in the world of crypto, every bit counts.